David, back to basics for just a moment. The purpose of a Frye hearing.
The purpose of the Frye hearing is for the court to determine whether or not experts, particularly from the state, will be able to testify in regards to who the speaker is on the 911 call. The factors that the court will look at are whether or not the information or testimony will assist the jury, whether the standards and I guess you'd say practices that are used by the expert witnesses or their opinion is generally accepted within the community, and then whether or not the individual is actually qualified as an expert to testify in court.
Why is this 911 call so vital to the case?
I think the 911 call goes directly to the crux or main point of the argument, in that Mr. Zimmerman is claiming self-defense. This audio takes place exactly when Mr. Martin was shot and killed. It's a difficult circumstance where we don't know what exactly happened. Mr. Martin is unfortunately no longer with us, and Mr. Zimmerman, should he choose to testify, would be the only person who could explain actually what took place if the 911 call isn't admitted into evidence.
The state presented some witnesses, experts, as did the defense. Who do you think did better?
I think in regards to the presentation by the attorneys, I think it equally went as well. There was some very interesting questioning by Mr. West, and I think we'll see more of that if these witnesses are allowed to testify at trial. In regards to the particular witnesses themselves, based upon the resume and the testimony I heard today, I think that the defense witnesses brought up many valid points in regards to why potentially the 911 call should not be admitted.
Day 3 ended abruptly. What happened?
I think it was simply just a logistics issue. From my understanding is that they were going to Skype or have somebody brought in. There was a technology witness. That particular individual apparently was stuck on an airplane, and so it was a technical difficulty. But I think that Judge Nelson is very adamant about moving forward and keeping the pace going. I do have to give her credit for holding court on Saturday. That's something as a citizen of Florida that I do like to see, that our judges are willing to work on the weekends when necessary, and Judge Nelson is one of those types of judges.
Well, it all starts again on Monday morning at 9 a.m. and then she will have to make a decision sometime before the actual trial starts as to whether or not these expert testimony will be presented before the jury. We'll have to wait and see. 9 a.m. Of course, we will carry it live, gavel to gavel, right here on News 13.